Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. You can also see the green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and let's tap on more settings again. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to tap on reset and tap on confirm. And of course, as you can see, this is the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we've got this privacy statement. It appears whenever you're opening the camera for the very first time, so you will have to give the permissions. And right here we cannot see the green lines, which means that we just successfully reset the settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.